everybody, Tommy here at T&H Farms. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little maintenance around the barn. We run to town and picked up some HVAC filters to change out the system. It takes quite a few, and we went to our local hometown hardware store there and supported them and picked up our filters. We have several filters here at the house. I think there's 6 filters in all. We got 9 tons of air on our HVAC system. You go to your big box stores and they charge you a pretty penny for these filters. And we like to go there, shop there at the little local store and pick up our filters. We can pick them up there for, I think, looks like we picked them up for $2.99 a piece, which is $3 a filter. So out the store for under $20 for the 6 filters. And I know if you go to Lowe's and get over there in the filters, or Walmart or wherever, they got all these allergy filters, and it's just too many to choose from. It's you got a whole aisle of filters there, and pricing anywhere from ranging anywhere from $5 to some of them $20 a filter, and we like to save a little money, and we know these filters here, I've been using them for years, and they work just fine. I come in here about every 3 to 6 months and change them, and change them out with some new filters and keep everything rolling. If you're having trouble with your air and it's freezing up on you, or your heat pump's not working right or whatever, it's a good reminder to change your filters. Sometime before you make that service call, it costs you $75 to $125 for a service call. You might want to look at your filters. If that filter's all dirty and clogged up, we need to get them changed out and put you a new filter in there. And that's all that's wrong with your system. Just a point, I would try that before I made a service call. Anyway, we're gonna get at it here and see if we can get them changed out. Follow along with me. All right, everybody's not gonna have these, but I put them in for extra protection because I do use the less expensive filters and the less penetrating air filters. But you just simply take this cover off, and you got a filter that's in here in the bottom of your unit. And it can be tricky. It's hard to get out sometimes. You just have to kind of just work it out. But you can see how dirty this thing is. Another reason why I keep them in here. You just simply pull it out and slide your new one right back in. Just like that, easy peasy. All right, I got it back in. Changed both of these filters. One's a 5-ton unit, one's a 4-ton, and one kind of heats upstairs and then heats downstairs. So that's pretty much it. All right, guys, we got all the filters changed, and didn't take long to do it, just a few minutes to get them all changed or whatever. And you notice that those units upstairs, they're right at the air handler. They're gonna be a little bit more difficult to change than the rest of them, but most of them just simply open your grate, pull it out, and stick your new one in. It's very important you do this. It cuts down on the stress. You know, your unit don't have to work as hard to move the air, and like I said, if they get stopped up too bad, they will cause issues and make your outside coils freeze over and not work like it's supposed to. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and it helps you, give me a thumbs up, and as always, God bless. Thank you.